How to make a chat quiz wall in Roblox Studio. Create a part. This part will be a quiz wall. Don't forget to use Anchor. Add a string value to the part and name it Answer. Enter the answer for each part into the value field. Add a surface GUI to the part. The surface GUI will be used to display the question for that part of the quiz. You can design your surface GUI as you like. Once you finish the first part, right-click, Group as Folder, and name it Quiz Stages. You will be able to duplicate the first quiz part and change the GUI and answers as desired. Add a script to Server Script Service. Writing the script. This script checks if a player types the correct quiz answer near a wall, then temporarily makes the wall disappear so the player can pass through. Get Quiz Stages folder. Create Wall Toggle function. Finds the GUI attached to the wall. Change both transparency and collision to fully hide or show the wall. Shows or hides GUI on the wall. Runs setup code for every player. Checks what the player types in chat. Gets the player position for distance checking. Convert message to lowercase. Makes answers case insensitive. Loop through every quiz stage instead of hard-coding each one. Looks for answer objects inside each stage. Get wall and answer text. Checks if the player typed the correct answer. Calculates how far the player is from the wall. Make sure the player is close enough to the wall before opening it. Temporarily removes the wall. After a few seconds, the wall automatically comes back. Break stops the loop early once the correct answer is found. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.